Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create engaging Twitter threads using ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So, let's get started. You know that creating engaging Twitter threads with ChatGPT can help you share insights, tell stories, and boost engagement effortlessly. Now I'm gonna show you some structure with points and example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Define your thread's main topic. Here you have to clearly stating the topic helps ChatGPT generate a structured, informative and engaging thread. Example prompt. Create a Twitter thread explaining time management tips for freelancers. Let's see the answer. ChatGPT will provide you the best answer. The next one, number 2. Request a hook and thread structure. A compelling hook grabs attention, while a structured format keeps readers engaged from start to finish. Example prompt. Write a Twitter thread on how to stay productive while working remotely, with a strong hook and numbered tweets. Let's check the answer. I hope you like the answer. And the last one, number 3. Specify the tone and length. You can ask for different tones: informative, witty, motivational, and control the number of tweets for better readability. Example prompt. Generate a 5 tweets Twitter thread on the benefits of mindfulness in a friendly and relatable tone. Let's check the answer. Here is the best result. So, with the right prompts, you can create Twitter threads that captivate your audience. Experiment with different styles to see what resonates best. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.